Coming to you tonight from my multimedia room, aka the Neon Cave. And the reason why is because I have a very special unboxing. One might even say a totally tubular unboxing. Got two boxes here. You can see this first one is taped up in neon pink duct tape. And the next box down is this Neon Fan Company Delray. Produced by Skylar Strickland's Neon Fan Company of somewhere in Florida. You can see the box says LED, although this is a genuine neon version. Most powerful 50-inch fan on the market, engineered in Florida for hot climates. Can't wait to see how well this stacks up to the claim. 6,600 CFM on the fastest speed. That's impressive. It's a 188 by 20 stack motor. 15-degree blade pitch, 4-speed reversible airflow, speed range 30 to 220 RPMs, crystal acrylic housing with 4 clear blades, polished chrome trim, UL and CSA certified, dimmable LED lighted housing, genuine neon option available, accepts all standard light kits, pull chain, wireless remote, or wall control. Includes 4-inch and 12-inch, half-inch diameter down rods, which is kind of unusual, because normally when a fan includes 2 down rods, it includes, I want to say, a 3-inch and a 6-inch. So this is a bit of an interesting change up from what I've come to expect. It's flush mountable, fits low ceilings, minimum height 7.7 3/4, with 84-inch down lead wires to fit up to a 72-inch down rod. Let's take a look at the side of the box. Dry indoor use only, although I would eventually like to see this company come up with something that can be used outdoors, maybe reminiscent to the Paradise Outdoor that Beverly Hills used to make. That's just a thought. Old-fashioned aesthetic low 4th speed, perfect for restaurants, bars, retail shops, offices, bedrooms. Gentle circulation without drafts. Uses just 4 watts. And then the other side of the box is just the same as the front. And you can see a little bit of the options. You can see this one. So that light kit would be in this top box, which we're going to open first. So I'm going to go ahead, find somewhere to set the camera down, and we'll get at it. Oh joy. This is going to be fun to fish through. This would be my light globe. Put the camera back down and unwrap that and show it to you. This particular globe has a name to it. I forget the name, but I'll have to go back into the catalog and get it, put it in the description. But this is the light globe that I selected. It's got a very almost 1920s Art Deco feel to it. Also in this box should be my light fitter. Unless it got packaged in with the fan. Right? Nope. And there's the light fitter, complete with a spare switch housing. You can see on there the Neon Fan Company logo. So that's it for this box. Before we crack into the fan, just show you real quick the top of the box. You can see on each side of the box they have different views of the fan. You can see a view from underneath, got a side view on top. It's a nice touch. Most times they just have the same picture on every side. Take a look at that warranty info. Motor warranted for a lifetime. Capacitor lifetime, or 20 years. Workmanship 10 years. Finish 2 years. That's equipped with neon. 5 years. LED 3. Pretty good warranty. Anyway, let's go ahead. See if I can get this. Good enough. Okay, now for the main attraction. Note that I only have my knife out just enough to pierce the tape, not enough to scratch anything under the surface. when you first open the box, you will see the 4-inch down rod option, the 12-inch down rod option, the hardware pack. There's your ceiling canopy with screw holes to mount it, flush the ceiling. There's your remote control kit. Take a better look at that when I do the demonstration video. Blades with a warning not to use power tools. Underneath here is your lower canopy. And underneath here is all the paperwork, including a complimentary Neon Fan Company pen, which might be a throwback to the complimentary screwdrivers in Casablanca and Fanimation included with their fans. Free t-shirt offer. Got your mounting bracket. 4 blade irons, which feel very lightweight. And the motor. Go ahead and take it out of its wrapper. You get a look at the neon colors that I chose. I did choose custom colors for this fan like I did with the Prizzm. We got green. We got a a slightly more golden yellow than what's on the Prizzm. Red and blue. And as you can see, the pull fobs come pre-installed. Very nice. Now, everything on this fan is a tribute to some fan made in the 70s or 80s, or some instances even before that. So the blade irons are copies of the old Panasonic Panasonic Renaissance blade irons, just scaled up for these blades, and also pitched clockwise. So clockwise would be downdraft, counterclockwise would be updraft. Blade pitch is 15 degrees, that is in tribute to the Hunter original. The clockwise downdraft is technically in tribute to the Island Fans Plantation, although it could also be viewed as being in tribute to the old Emerson round nose and the very first generation of heat fans. It's a 50-inch fan, in tribute to Casablanca. Tuna can canopy, in tribute to Emerson. Pull chains. They're not, even though they're not one piece, they do add up to, I think, 16 inches total length, and that is in tribute to Emerson. The speed range is also in tribute to Emerson. I believe the speeds on this are exactly the same as the 1895 series, 4-speed. At least the 3 lower speeds are. These blades have a ribbed pattern in them that's sort of reminiscent of an insert, of a cane insert. And even the shape of the housing is sort of reminiscent to the old design house, contemporary. Not entirely sure what they called it, but I believe this is it for this video. Oh. Let's see if I can get it one-handed. Special note. Per our Instagram and email exchange, the enclosed fan is provided as a free gift to you. Thank you for helping my company get started, both by buying one of my custom neon prisms and also by making... what kind of video? Knowing him, this is not a mistake, which other customers saw. So anyway, that's it. Stay tuned for a demo video.